Hey there guys, Abners Reviews here, and today we are playing with the NERF NStrike Elite Rapid Strike. So here we go with our NERF NStrike Elite Rapid Strike CS-18. So the NERF Rapid Strike right here is a motorized rapid fire blaster. It is for ages 8 and up. Claims that it can fire up to 22 meters in distance. It also comes with an 18 dart clear clip. In order to operate the NERF Rapid Strike right here, we need 4 1.5 volts Type C batteries. So that is how our NERF NStrike Elite Rapid Strike looks like right there. It has adjustable stop, acceleration trigger, tactical rail, motorized rapid fire blasting. So included is a transparent see-through clip and 18 elite darts. So let's continue unboxing our NERF NStrike Elite Rapid Strike CS-18. So here's what we got from our box right there. We have 18 darts right here, 18 elite darts, that is. Some user manual right here for our NERF NStrike Elite Rapid Strike CS-18. The 18 dart see-through or transparent magazine right here. And of course our actual NERF gun right there. So in terms of dimensions or measurements, this measures 60 cm in length and 17 cm in height. So although I already gave you the dimensions or the measurements right there, the NERF Rapid Strike right here has an extendable stock on the back right there. So if you extend that stock, the length would be even longer. Here at the back of our NERF Rapid Strike is the stock right there. So what you do is you pull this right here. If ever you wanted to extend it, you hold the stock right there and pull it like so. So that locks right there, and you can put your shoulder or your arms right here on this side right here at the end for an even more ergonomic grip on the gun. But if you do not want to extend that one and you want to go back to the normal length of the gun, just push this lever right here and push it inward like so. And there you go. That is the extended stock option for our NERF Rapid Strike right here. So the gun is definitely thicker than the usual NERF guns that we have reviewed. This one is really a thick boy, as you can see right there. So on this part right here, as you can see, it is dominantly blue or royal blue in color with a mix of white and orange touches on the gun right there. So this is our gun grip right here. The NERF Rapid Strike right here is a motorized rapid strike blaster. It has an acceleration button right here. That's the gray trigger right there. This one right here is the mag release button for our magazine, which will be fed to this port right there. So on the body of our NERF Rapid Strike, it's like blocks on the blue body of our gun right there with the NERF logo, of course, and the Rapid Strike CS-18 branding on the side right there. So on the top right here, this is where we will find the first rail so we can attach some sight in here on the top. And just below that, this is where we have an access to the magazine and how it feeds the gun. So this is where we can correct the jam if ever we encounter any jams. This is like a transparent orange in color. So you just push this back like so, and you can correct the jam inside right there. So on this side right here, I believe this is also a rail available for us if we have an attachment. That is the second one right there, as well as on the other side of the gun right there. So we now have 3 extra rails, and the third one is right here. It's color orange. That is the 4th rail available for us. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have a 5th rail right here, just below the Elite logo right there, under the gun right here. So we have 5 rails available for us. We also have our battery compartment right here, the orange part. So that is our battery compartment here. And of course our barrel right here. Plus the sight that comes with the gun. So you just do it like so, pull it up, and it should lock just like that. That immediately looks good right there. An extra sight for our NStrike Elite Rapid Strike right here. I just noticed that if ever there would be an option to attach a strap for the gun, we can do so, because there are corners right here, like this one on the bottom of our gun grip. Right here before the first rail on top, we can clip some belts in here, as well as on the front right here just before the barrel. We can also maybe attach a strap for our gun right here. There's really a chock full of goodness on this NStrike Elite Rapid Strike right here. So in terms of included features and attachments, we are giving it a perfect score of 5 out of 5. Okay, so in terms of grip and handling, so this thick gun grip right here is perfect for my hands. Not to mention the stock that is also part of the ergonomics of the gun right here. Since this would be resting on your shoulders or your chest, this is really good right here. So in terms of grip and handling, we are giving the NStrike Elite Rapid Strike right here a score of 4 out of 5. So in terms of ammo capacity, of course this is not a surprise, because our Nerf gun for today comes with a magazine. We have 18 Elite darts right here included in the package, and of course our 18 dart transparent clip right here. So just because of that, we are also giving the Nerf Rapid Strike right here a score of 4 out of 5. So let's do a reload right now, using our 18 darts right here and our transparent 18 dart clip or mag right here. So that's 18 darts right there, loaded on our 18 dart transparent clip or mag right here. So now we have our 1.5 volts Type-C batteries right there. I'm going to show you how to put the batteries on our NERF NStrike Elite Rapid Strike right here. So the battery compartment is found on the front right there. There are 3 Phillips head screws right there, which we have to loosen to open up our battery compartment. All you have to do is pull this out like so. So the screws stay on the compartment right there. 3 Phillips screws, and you can pull this out right here. So now we fill in our Type-C batteries. Now I put this back on our NERF Rapid Strike right now. And then you tighten the 3 Phillips head screws again to secure our battery compartment. And there we go. So battery installed, and we have loaded our transparent magazine right here, or our clip, with 18 elite darts right here. So this is how we load the magazine to our NERF N-Strike Elite Rapid Strike right here. So that is the port or slot for our magazine or clip. Just down there is the mag release button in front of our acceleration button right there. Now you just slide in the magazine or clip on the slot right here. Do not need to press the mag release button. Just press this if you are going to change magazine or pull out the magazine or clip. Okay, so you do it this way, darts pointing front, and insert it like so. And there we go, mag inserted. So of course, next category is to measure the FPS, or the rate of fire that our NERF gun produces. So for that, we will be using our chronograph machine right here. So as you can see right here, the maximum foot per second is 48.5, minimum is 36.7, and the average is 44.1. Sadly, that is very low. So our foot per second average is 44.1 foot per second. So because of this result right here, which we have tried for a number of times, so the NERF gun really is underpowered. I don't know, maybe because of the batteries or what. But for right now, this is what we have for our results. And unfortunately, it is really low in terms of foot per second compared to the other NERF gun that we have tested. The NERF Commander or the Dash 6. So 75 versus 44.1 right here. So the rating that we would be giving the NERF N-Strike Elite Rapid Strike right here in terms of FPS is 3 out of 5. We are ready to test fire our Rapid Strike right here. So this is how our NERF gun for the day looks like when completely assembled. And you see that I have also extended the stock right there, and the loaded magazine is right there, and that is the full length of our NERF gun for the day. So to fire the gun, we are going to use the acceleration button right here, just under our gray trigger right here. So if you press this, the motor will spin, and then we can start firing. So there's only one way you can fire the NERF Rapid Strike right here. It is with this acceleration button. You have to long press the gun trigger. As soon as you let go of the trigger, it will stop firing. And there is no option for us to fire a single bullet at a time. This is really a feature of the NERF gun, because this is a motorized rapid blaster right here. It controls its own rate of fire. Push on the acceleration button and then long press on the gun trigger. Okay? So that is how you fire our NERF N-Strike Elite Rapid Strike right here. There you go, guys. So as you have seen on our firing test right there, unfortunately, this is not that accurate. I mean, the NERF Rapid Strike is really hard to be accurate in a sense that it is not that controllable in terms of the rate of fire. So unfortunately, we only can give the NERF Rapid Strike right here an accuracy score of 3 out of 5. So there you go, guys. So to tally the score, in terms of included features and attachments, we gave it a score of 5 out of 5. In terms of grip and handling, we gave it a score of 4 out of 5. Ammo capacity, we gave it 4 out of 5 as well. In terms of FPS, we gave it a score of 3 out of 5. And last but not the least, for accuracy, we only have given it a score of 3 out of 5 as well. So overall, our NERF N-Strike Elite Rapid Strike right here got a score of 19 points out of a possible 25 points. So there you go, guys. Hope you liked our quick unboxing and review of the NERF N-Strike Elite Rapid Strike CS-18. Next video should be, we will see what else can we do with the NERF gun in terms of attachments and stuff like that. So stay tuned to our channel for our next video in terms of the NERF Rapid Strike right here. So if you have comments and inquiries, please put them all down below. Do not forget to like and comment on our video. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you get notified when we upload another one of our NERF reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.